Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add or change your about on WhatsApp. So first we're going to start off by going on this settings icon in our bottom right corner. And now we're going to click on our name and that says urgent calls only. So as you can see, our about is now set to urgent calls only, but you can change it. Let's just click on it. You can select your about, so you can select available, busy, at school, at the movies, at work, battery about to die. If you click on currently set to, you can see that you can customize your about. For example, you can write whatever you want up to 139 characters. So let's go and set it to online tutorials. Exclamation point. And then when you're done, you're gonna click on save. Now let's go back to edit profile. And as you can see, our about is now changed and customized as our liking. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!